Hello everyone, welcome to PLANET webinar series, unboxing the Power Expandable L3 PoE++ switch, the GS-6322-24P4X. I'm Chloe Su, the Marketing Manager of PLANET Technology and your presenter for today. For today's session, we will start with a design concept of PLANET Power Expandable L3 PoE++ switch and its key features that makes the product stand out from others, followed by the unboxing and the quick setup of applications to show you how it's used in different scenarios. And we will finish the webinar with a Q&A session, so make sure to submit your questions to the chat room or to send it to sales@planet.com.tw. We will have someone to help you during or after the webinar. Now let's get started with the design concept and the uniqueness of this product. And as we all know, to accelerate the development of smart city, IoT and ITS, we often need efficient and flexible power management for large-scale networks. So PLANET GS-6322-24P4X switch is specially designed for applications that demands high power consumption, such as digital signage, intelligent lighting, intelligent building, surveillance, or wireless network establishment. So with the application in mind, PLANET GS-6322-24P4X switch is designed with powerful 24 802.3bt PoE++ ports for extremely large power capability, specially designed to provide high power budget of up to 2,280 watts for all kinds of heavy PoE applications with quick, safe, and cost-effective network solution. It is specially equipped with 2,400 watt dual modular power supply slots to ensure flexible, redundant, and extended power system during operation. So you can either combine two PSUs to provide maximum total PoE power for high power consumption applications, or you can use two PSUs to back up interchangeably to ensure continuous PoE power transmission. So on top of the flexible power design, PLANET GS-6322-24P4X switch also supports Layer 3 dynamic routing with 40G fiber and copper uplink capability, so that it has faster network convergence and results in less network traffic. Its built-in cybersecurity function with TLS and SSH encryption enhance the security of data transmission. And GS-6322-24P4X switch also supports redundant ring technology and features strong rapid self-recovery capability to prevent interruptions or external intrusions. All in all, the GS-6322-24P4X switch also features on-VIF support and built-in intelligent PoE functions for environmental protection and more. Now without further ado, let's start with the unboxing and also see a quick demonstration of how the switch is set up in a high power consumption network. Before we start with the unboxing, PLANET GS-6322-24P4X is a fully managed AL2.3bt PoE++ switch with dual modular power supply slots to promote power management efficiency and flexibility in large-scale networks. Here, let's open this package of GS-6322-24P4X switch and see what we've got here. The box contains the following items: The power expandable L3 PoE++ switch itself, the GS-6322-24P4X. A quick installation guide. And the RJ45 to RS232 cable. 2 rack mounting brackets with attachment screws. And reminder that the standard package doesn't include the power supply. You will need to make additional order of the CRPS power supply. Now let's take a look at the front panel. It provides a simple interface to monitor GS-6322-24P4X switch. First, we see the gigabit TP interface. The GS-6322-24P4X switch comes with 24 gigabit PoE ports, and it is compliant with the latest AO2.3BT PoE++ standard to provide injector function. Then we see 10 gigabit TP interface supporting 10 MB, 100 MB, 1G, 2.5G, 5G, and 10G data rates. And then we see 10 gigabit SFP+ slots, 2 10 gigabit SFP+ slots for 1G, 2.5G, and 10G transceivers to support transmitting distance from 300 meters up to 10 kilometers. And then we see the console port. The console port is a RJ45 port connector. It is an interface for connecting a terminal directly. Through the console port, it provides rich diagnostic information, including IP address setting, factory reset, port management, link status, and system setting. Users can use the attached DB9 to RJ45 console cable in the package and connect to the console port on the device. After the connection, users can run any terminal emulation program to enter the startup screen of the device. Now we see the reset button. The front panel of the GS-6322 series comes with a reset button designed for rebooting the managed switch without turning on and off the power. And the LED indications. The front panel LED indicates instant status of power and the system status, ring, port links, and data activity. They help monitor and troubleshoot when needed. Now we see the rear panel of GS-6322-24P4X. The rear panel of the managed switch consists of 2 CRPS power module slots. For compatibility with electrical voltages in most areas of the world, the managed switch's modular power supply can automatically adjust line power in the range of 100 to 240 volt AC and 50 or 60 Hz. Now let's take a look at the rear panel. Here you can see the replaceable CRPS power slot 1, replaceable CRPS power slot 2 with blank cover, a power module eject button, and the earth ground, and 2 thermal fans. The GS-6322-24P4X can work with 3 optional 920 watt, 1200 watts, or 2000 watts AC power supplies. Users can flexibly use one or dual power supply according to their application. It's flexible, redundant, and extended power system specially designed for high-tech facilities requiring highest power integrity. Now, when installing the power supply, place the switch on a flat surface and beware to slide in the CRPS power first before plugging in the rear power cord. Now we will demonstrate how GS-6322-24P4X provides both data connection and power to the IPCs. Here we have PLANET GS-6322-24P4X switch, the PoE splitter, and the Universal Network Management Controller, the NMS1000V, not connected to the power yet. And to set up the application demo, we have to install one 1200 watts CRPS power to ensure stable power supply to operate 3 NMS controllers at the same time. And we will demonstrate with one set here. After installing CRPS power, connect the power cable on the back of the CRPS power to a power outlet. And now the GS-6322-24P4X is all set. The PoE splitter supports 3 modes of power voltage output: 12 volt, 19 volt, and 24 volt. And now we use 24 volt mode to power the NMS1000V. Connect the NMS controller to PoE splitter with the Ethernet cable and the power cable. And then connect the PoE splitter to GS-6322-24P4X switch with the Ethernet cable. And you can check the LED light on the front panel of the managed switch to see the status of all the connected ports. Now with GS-6322-24P4X, stable data and power transmission for multiple IPCs are guaranteed, as we demonstrated here. Now let's see the unique features of GS-6322-24P4X switch again with a closer look of its web graphic user interface. First, for the L3 routing feature. The switch enables the administrators to conveniently boost network efficiency by configuring Layer 3 IPv4, IPv6 VLAN static routing manually, and the IPv4 OSPF settings automatically. The OSPF is an interior dynamic routing protocol for autonomous system based on link state. For the power management feature, the switch provides 2 extractive power module slots to support redundant power supply, the RPS mode, or the extended power supply, the EPS mode, via software setting, to handle the demand of power redundancy or additional power for PoE++ ports as needed. You can also click on the power status for real-time monitoring of power status and usage. For the PoE feature, as the switch adopts the IEEE 802.3bt PoE++ standard and POH technology, it is capable to source up to 95 watts of power by using all 4 pairs of standard category E or 6 Ethernet cabling to deliver power and full-speed data to each remote PoE-compliant PDs. To meet the demand of various power devices consuming stable PoE power, the switch provides 5 different PoE power output modes for selection. The 95 watts UPoE or POH mode, 90 watts AO2.3bt PoE++ mode, 60 watts force mode, 36 watts N-spend PoE mode, 36 watt mid-spend PoE mode. You can also click on status for real-time PoE status monitoring. And last, the UNVIF features. The switch supports the UNVIF, specially designed for cooperating with video IP surveillance. Simply click Search and show all the Envive devices via network application, and manage with ease. Now that we have went through the unboxing and the application demonstration, let's move on to our Q&A session next for more discussion of the Power Expandable L3 PoE++ switch. So thank you all again for your interest in this product, and we have received some quite number of questions before the webinar, so let's get to them first. For the first one here, someone is asking, can we control power on port via any software? And the answer is yes. The switch allows customer to control the PoE output, and you can configure the power output via the web GUI. For example, you can configure a port as 802.3bt or manually set the power allocation for a specific port. And for this next question, someone would like to know our product family and how they work together. And if you're referring to the Power over Ethernet family, we do have a very strong PoE product line, both for the commercial and the industrial PoE switches, injectors, extenders, and splitters. Our products are compliant with IEEE 802.3 AF, AT, or BT PoE standard, and it offers PoE power output from 15.4 watts, 30 watts, 60 watts, and as high as 95 watts. For our website, it also provides a product selector function, so you can choose the product, choose the criteria, and use the selector to show the selected product and to fulfill your application. And for this next question here, is there an industrial version of GS-6322-24P4X? At the moment, the GS-6322-24P4X times 90 watt PoE ports will be 2,160 watts. So we suggest you purchase two 1200 watts power supply or two 2000 watt power supply for the highest power. If you would like to have the maximum power budget, and set the GS-6322-24P4X to EPS mode, and you will get full power budget. So for the next question, what is the next topic of Planet webinar? Will there be more unboxing sessions? Okay, so first, thank you again for your continuous attention. We do have regular quarterly webinars, and we are planning for more unboxing sessions. Please leave your comments or leave your interest to the chat room so that we know what you're interested in for unboxing or products to introduce. Okay, for the next question here, where can we get the latest product news and introduction? So we do understand that for this year, due to the COVID situation, we're not able to meet you in person for live events or exhibitions, but many of the events are going online. For example, we are participating in Computex Virtual starting on May 31st, or the IFSEC on June 1st. So for online exhibitions, we will have virtual booths and to present our latest innovations. Make sure you schedule a meeting with us and to connect with us. You can also check our website for more information. And we also have social platforms to announce our latest product news. So follow us on Facebook or Telegram so you won't miss out on our news. And that's about time for our Q&A session today. And if you still wish to know more, please leave your email to the chat room or to send your inquiries to sales@planet.com.tw. We will make sure to have someone to help you at the end of this webinar. Also, if you wish to know more about Planet, please log on to www.planet.com planet.com.tw, and we hope to see you again very soon. Thank you for joining today. Bye-bye.